Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder and creatine. To start, protein powder is a fantastic way to support muscle recovery and growth, especially after a workout. Most people aim for about 20 to 30 grams per serving. You can easily mix it with water or milk, or even blend it into a delicious smoothie for a quick and convenient protein boost. It's a simple addition to your daily routine. Timing your protein intake can make a difference. Many find it beneficial to consume protein powder within 30 to 60 minutes after their workout to maximize muscle repair. However, it's also great for supplementing meals throughout the day if you're struggling to hit your protein goals. Some even take a serving before bed to support muscle recovery while they sleep. It's all about consistency. Now let's talk about creatine. This supplement is well known for its ability to boost strength, power output, and overall muscle mass. A popular approach is a loading phase, where you take about 20 grams daily for 5 to 7 days to saturate your muscles. After that, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily is typically sufficient to keep your creatine stores topped up. Combining protein powder and creatine is a fantastic strategy, as they work synergistically to support your fitness goals. Many people simply mix both into their post-workout shake, making it a convenient and efficient way to get both supplements. This combination helps with muscle recovery, growth, and strength. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.